distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen.
Muthia Kamiti ya MWANYA Area President William Ruto arehokeire kuroboya marihi ma aria manahutio MIRURUNGANO-INI kuma mwaka wa 2017 ni mehitithirio riu maitho makierekerio kurio kuna uria megukinyaniria gibarua giki umwe thutha wa urio ungi moya mwihitwa wao MWIKARIRI giti wa kamiti no MAKAU MUTUA akiranira ukinyaniria wa kihoto kuri aria mahutitio hatari uthutukania.
And today, by swearing in this distinguished panel, we are demonstrating in practice that the Constitution is alive.
Mine is really not to, lecture you about how you're going to do your job, but your accountability will be to the people of Kenya and to your God.
Judge us by what we do, not what we say. We will talk less, so that our actions can speak louder. Our goal is to break the cycle of violence in this country. Let me repeat that. Our goal is to break the cycle of violence in this country so that we can entrench a culture of peaceful, rights-respecting protest.
Mutua ni ataririe muoroto munene wa mubango uyu ni kunina haro hindi ya mirurungano akiuria ikundi cia kuhuranira ihoto cia muingi hamwe na ingi kunyitanira na kamiti no oho akiuga matigwitikiria uteti wigirio mutarataraini uyu.
Particular effort is victim-centered. It is impartial and it is non-partisan. It is apolitical. It is not an exercise in political expediency. It is a heartfelt exercise in which we intend as a country to lead not just with a head, but to lead with a heart.
Uria wamuritwo ta munini wa MWIKARIRI giti president wa kiama kia LSK Faith Odhiambo nyangetheire ciuria cikonainie nawe gwitikira kuamurwo kamiti-ini no Faith akiranira kurugamana a Kenya igana kwa igana.
I know I've been quiet about this and I'm sure a lot of people want to hear my views and thoughts, particularly on taking up this assignment. And let it be known that I have in no way betrayed your trust. Let it be clear that access to criminal justice remains critical to me. In our quest to promote and protect the rule of law as an essential element in the enjoyment of the fundamental human rights and freedoms.
Faith agiteaniria gaja iria honge na muingi wina cio wa kamiti no gukinyaniria kihoto agikinyaniria itemi riake na gutigirira ciiko cia njoragano hindi ya mirurungano itikanecokera ringi.
Never again shall Kenyans be killed by trigger-hungry officers for expressing their rights on the streets. The unprecedented structure and scope of mandate of this panel gives room for a victim-led, accountability-centered approach towards realizing holistic justice for victims. In this exercise, my service will be solely to the people of Kenya. There is no Kenya that belongs exclusively to politicians or their children. Neither does it belong to broad-based government, nor a country of cousins.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washege.